Hiya crafty folks, today I'm going to do some repeat stamping and make a happy birthday card. So this is a stamp set that I recently got from My Favorite Things. If it's still available, I'll link it with all the other products below. If you go in the video description box below the video and expand and scroll down, that's where you'll find the links to all the products. Have some colors from Catherine Pooler, have this VersaFine Claire, and a card base. Now this is going to be single layer. Here's a photo of the finished card. Super simple. Super easy. This would be a great one to batch. You could customize this. You could make a gift set. This could work for anyone. Just use that person's favorite colors and boom, got an easy happy birthday card. So don't overthink it. Sometimes white space is completely fine. Basically, I'm just going to do some stamping. I'm going to show you how I did it. I didn't do math. I don't fancy math. I'm not good at math. People would probably benefit from making sure this worked. But I winged it, and it worked out in my favor. I just kind of started stamping, knowing that I wanted to stamp it a few times, and I just eyeballed it. So it ended up being, I believe, 5 or 6 squares that I moved up in the Misty. I'm not sure. I think it was 5. But I didn't know that when I started. You guys are seeing this. I'm figuring it out as I go. That's how I prefer to craft. So I don't want to overthink it, and I certainly don't want to be doing math. So yeah, I just stamped with this darker green color and then moved up. I think I moved up initially probably 4 and then realized that wasn't quite enough and went up the 5th one or maybe the 6th one. But I ended up finding perfect spacing and it ended up working out great. I really just lucked out playing it by ear like this, because it very well might not have worked. But this ended up spacing well. If you kind of follow along the edge of the Misty, then you know it's going to stay straight. Obviously, the stamp isn't moving, just your card. So you can kind of just move down. This is just very simple repeat stamping. This is one of the beauties of having a stamp positioner like this. I prefer the Misty. I've tried other ones. This is my favorite. I do have the larger size and the smaller size. Actually, I technically even have the big honkin' one for scrapbooking, which I seldom use, but I have it. So I kind of have all the 3 sizes for the Misty, and it works great for me. So I stamped those 3 greenish or cool teal or green colors, and then I'm going to use the sub-sentiment in the lower right and stamp right over that 3rd happy with that VersaFine Claire. So I left the lightest color for the happy and the darkest color for the sub-sentiment just to make sure that it was visible, and it says birthday. So super easy so far, right? Single layer, it'll be easy to ship. I just want to add a little something with the roundness of the P and the font. I felt like it needed some more round continuity in the design. So I used that corner chomper on those 2 opposite sides. And now I'm going to add some bling. So this is card bling from the shop at A Colorful Life Designs. I am on the design team there, and I do have a coupon. Amy Fan 10. So if you shop for anything at A Colorful Life Designs, make sure you use that code at checkout and you'll save 10% on your complete order. That code will work for everything in the shop other than the Master Creator bundles of stencils. So be sure to use that if you shop. Save yourself some loot. And yeah, follow my links because it really does help me out. It lets the companies know where the order came from so that we can get credit at no additional cost to you. And it's the best way to support your favorite crafters. So if you enjoy the videos, follow their links. That's the best way to help them out. So just going to lay these down in a smattering of colors once I stop being precious and decide what color I want to use. And that's going to finish the card. So super easy peasy. Great happy birthday card, works for anyone, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, and I will catch you next time. Bye.